Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
So here we will present what we found about Grammarly. The name is Grammar Application that we can get it from Google Play. Next, our member group is Rizky Aprilianto, Nurjihan Istiqomah, Erina Dewi, and the last is Zulfikar Ar-Rahman. Next, so the name of application is Grammar Bahasa Inggris. You can get it at Google Play. This is learn English easily and fun with complete material with the Grammar Bahasa Inggris application. And then this application is perfect for beginners who are just learning English at home. This application can be downloaded for free, not with premium or so on. And more importantly, this English grammar application can be used without an internet network, or we can use it with offline or no need network. And then this grammar application consists of various English learning topics such as part of speech, and then to be, grammar, and then tenses, and so on. And the main advantage of this English grammar application is having practice question or exercise so that it will easier to understand each of the English material. And then this grammar bahasa Inggris application is an Android application that it's suitable for middle high school and then students, and then whoever who want to learn English. This is suitable for beginners. Okay, the next.
Okay, the next, I will explain how to use this application. The first, we need to know how to get the application. As Erina said before, you need to go to the Play Store and just search Grammar Bahasa Inggris by Novta Studio, and this is the icon of application. So download and install it. After that, you can open the application. This application is free and you don't need to register with account. You just open it, and this is the application. You can see there are 8 parts. The first is part of speech, second hafalan harian, third is percakapan, fourth is phrase, next is grammar dasar, 6 tenses, 7 struktur kalimat, and the last is exercise. So next, this is the pronoun. From the 8 part, you can choose one of them. So this is the example. I will choose part of speech, and this is I will choose pronoun. And this is the example, the explanation from the material from pronoun. It's easy for a beginner, yeah, because the explanation is using bahasa, and the material is so clear. And the next is for the tenses. I choose simple present tense. In simple present tense, there are the material, the example, and also the formula. At the end of the material in tenses, you will get the test. Before the slide before, previous slide. The previous slide, Upi. Thank you. Next, then for the phrase, you can see adjective phrase, noun phrase, and the other. And for the tenses test before, you will do the specific test just for every material in tenses, like simple present tense. Then the test just for that material. And for the exercise, you will get the general exercise from from all of the material. Okay, and the next is advantage and disadvantage. Will explain by Zulfikar.
Okay. Thank you, Jian. I want to explain the advantage and disadvantage of this application. Okay. From this advantage, I think we all can we can look from the rating in this application. So it's many advantage from to use this application to learn English about the grammar. It's number one is the material is presented in English and Bahasa. So we can know the English and Bahasa Indonesia. Explanation, it's easy to understand. Number three is content practice question. Number four, the material is presented with simple and brief explanation. So in this application have material in the beginner to know the grammar and learn. Okay, and the next is offline application. So we can access this application with offline and is free, and we know to login use account. And next is can be used anywhere and anytime. Okay, and this disadvantage is just two, because this application I think is very good to use to beginner to learn about English grammar. Giving limits on the test and passing test one can only open Canspur Learning Curiosity. So we can just access all, not one by one. Okay, and the next is complete material on basics. Okay, in the next presentation is Rizky Aprilianto.
The conclusion is this application is very easy to use and complete for learning. For beginners who are just learning grammar, it is very suitable because in addition to the explanation using Bahasa, the explanation is very clear and briefly to learn as well as having a level exercise. I highly recommend this for learning grammar. Next, number of use. First, you can immediately choose what materials to study. For example, in this below, after you feel understand, you can immediately practice. Next, if you this is the test. If you are correct, you will get a green mark in the selection option. And if it is wrong, you will get a red mark in the option if of your choice and a green color in the other option indicating that is correct answer. You can repeat the materials that you want if you feel not understand, and you can try doing a test few more times. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.